I'm gonna make another film real quick. Starting with you.
Okay.
Are you gonna say anything?
I thought you're the one that talks.
Okay, God. I thought we made progress after the last one. You were so good. What is today? July 16th?
17th.
17th. Good Lord.
It's a Monday.
And we've settled, we had like maybe, we had a week of sort of summer, and now we've settled into a kind of cold, rain, dark. Yeah. Anyway, before I just was going to do a quick update on the upstairs here. Before I take this formwork off of the chimney, we passed our chimney inspection a week ago, which I don't know, I had been worried about, but it was just a breeze. He seemed to think everything was done well, and it was very easy, almost too easy, but I'm glad for it. He did note that we had to stucco the old bricks, which needed to be repointed. And so that's what I'm doing here. I also have been, I kind of flew on the installation of the ceiling. I got fairly adept at that, although it's tedious and I got really sick of it. I got that done 3 or 4 days ago, 3 days ago at least. Up to this point where the stucco chimney is needs to be done before I can run the ceiling boards up to the edge of it and finish this whole area off. So this has become the project for the last couple of days. It actually turns out to be quite a thick layer of cement on here because I'm trying to square it up. So I chose to do two opposite sides with this framework, these guides, these wooden guides. Now I'm going to take these off today now that everything is pretty much cured, and I'll use the existing edges. Hopefully they are strong and true enough as guides to finish off the opposite sides. So I guess in probably a couple of days I'll be able to finish the ceiling. And we are looking at stains and colors right now, so we should be ready to pretty much by the end of, I'm trying to think of what day of the week it is. It's Monday. So by the end of the week we should be staining the ceiling and thinking about removing this temporary floor, which would be just a radical change to the space, a huge leap forward. Okay, I'm not sure how interesting this was. The other project that's ongoing is a sort of daily casting of pavers, concrete pavers for the greenhouse. Also very tedious. I'm really getting tired of working with the concrete, even though I like it. Alright, I'll check back in when I take this formwork off and finish the chimney probably. We also need showers badly.